Hello everyone. Today I am going to make your own spicy chili powder blend with curry leaves, pepper, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. I am sure it is in spicy food lovers' kitchen. Clean the red chili, curry leaves, then wash and dry. This is cinnamon tree. So I take some cinnamon from my garden. Scrape off the cinnamon bark. The inner fragrant bark is peel off. Let the cinnamon dry in a warm environment. Toast them for 3 to 5 minutes in a pan over medium heat. Stir in regularly until the skin is crispy and darker. Blend them into a fine powder. Store in an airtight container. Bye for now and don't forget to subscribe my channel.